So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to earn real money by playing Glow Tales here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the games icon and then press on get started. Now what it's going to do is bring you to a new page right here where you can actually go ahead and play a bunch of different games, download a bunch of different games, in this case Glow Tales, to earn real cash. Now for me, under sorts, I just have most popular here, but if you want to find it specifically, you can search it through, A to Z or whatever the case may be. But if I were to scroll down a little bit here, right here, Glow Tales, Merge and Makeover, we'll go ahead and press on this. You can earn up to 12,605 swag bucks. Now, if you were to go ahead at the top and press on Get Now, you can download the app. And basically, how you guys can earn swag bucks over time is just progressing through the game. So in this case, if you install it and reach level 3, you get 5. If you reach level 10, you get 10 swag bucks, etc. And this is how you guys can get money over time just by playing the game. So if you were to go ahead and download and complete a bunch of stuff here, that's how you guys can get paid real cash. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can earn real money by playing Glow Tales here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.